Hello everyone, welcome to StudyDelight, a productivity planner app. Many of the online to-do lists only allow us to list down and tick off the task, but they do not help us visualize how we can complete them over a week. How about the physical planner books then? How do you postpone tasks from one day to another or make minor edits without making ugly strike-offs? It's impossible. StudyDelight is our own ideal version of a to-do list, where we can visualize the action plan over a week and adjust our weekly plan easily and neatly. This is the initial design of our app. Firstly, you can list down the tasks at the bottom in color-coded tiles. Secondly, these tiles can be dragged and dropped into respective days. Thirdly, you can also move the tiles around as you like or push uncompleted tasks over to the following weeks. Over the course of our development, we have modified our design so as to fit the constraints of the framework. So this is our new design with the task pool or task generator on the left side of the planner instead of the bottom. Our idea was implemented using React, Redux framework, and Firebase. This is how our app looks like after development. So, as mentioned, you can create tasks in the task pool session and also drag and drop the tiles to other days. There are also motivational quotes on top of each day. This is our application workflow. Users will first start with authentication page. They can either sign up or log in. If they decide to sign up, a new account will be created in the sign up page, after which the user will be logged in to the new account. Once logged in, the user will be able to view tasks in the planner page. The user initials are displayed in the circle at the right corner when the user is signed in. There is also a logout button on the navigation bar. After logging in, the user is now ready to use the planner. The user can either create new tasks or work on existing tasks. To create new tasks, users will be able to click Add Task button on the task pool on the left. To work on the existing task, the users can either drag and drop the task from task pool to each day or from one day to another, or delete any of the unwanted tasks. After scheduling the week, the user can then log out after use. Our app also includes side features such as motivational quotes displayed on top of each day. Our planner is also designed in a way that is food themed, so as to remind the users to have meals regularly even while doing work. Next, we'll share with you the summary of what we did for each milestone. For milestone 1, we used HTML, CSS, and JavaScript to develop Firebase authentication that includes login, sign up, and logout, as well as creating new tasks. We also study Express and Node.js framework. In milestone 2, we decided to switch to React plus Redux framework, and we developed Firebase authentication, the planner interface, drag and drop feature, motivational quotes, as well as did front-end and back-end integration. For milestone 3, we implemented the delete function so that our app can perform CRUD functions. We also fixed the placement of the planner components and added the scroll function to navigate within each component. We also adjusted the design of our app to be food themed, and we fixed bugs. So this is the summary of what we did over each milestone. Now, let's take a look at how our app works.
This is the first page you will see when you access our web page. Before logging in, you will only be able to see the login and sign up buttons at the top. To use our app, you can either sign up for a new account as we have shown in the previous milestone, or log in by using the email test@gmail.com and the password test1234. Once logged in, you will be able to see your profile in the navigation bar. Your profile will show your initials within a pink circle. We added in this feature to make our app more personalized for our users. Our planner includes the days of a week. At the top of each day, we have included motivational quotes to encourage you to complete your task. This is a task pool section where you will be able to add new tasks. You can also add in your own personalized motivational quote by adding the card and removing the quotes. Previously, our planner did not have a delete function, and this additional delete function right now allows our app to perform CRUD operations, which stands for create, read, update, and delete. Previously, we mentioned that the task pool section was going to be moved to the bottom. However, we have decided that it would be better for it to remain at the left, as the original design would make it impossible for all panels to be viewed in one page at a glance. This is because the task list would extend vertically as more tasks are added. Hence, for neater design purposes, we decided to make the components such as the different days and the task pool occupy a fixed space instead of expanding when more tasks are added. Instead, users can navigate different tasks by scrolling. After adding a task, you can drag and drop them into the relevant days for easy planning and scheduling. An additional feature we have added is also a permanent reminder at the bottom of the web page for our users to have their meals regularly. This ties in with the food theme of our app. Once you are done with scheduling your tasks, you can choose to click on the logout button to return back to the home page. Thank you for watching.